Leadership is often confused with management, but they are two very different things. Let's look at what actually defines a leader. At its simplest level, leadership is the ability to influence others toward a common goal without relying solely on formal authority. Leadership matters because it directly impacts how people feel about their work, which ultimately drives organizational performance. Great leaders share a few common traits, including the ability to communicate a vision and hold themselves accountable for the results. While management is about organizing resources and hitting targets, leadership is about inspiring people to adapt and grow. Organizations with strong leadership cultures consistently outperform their peers in retention, innovation, and overall financial stability. Remember that true leadership is a service-oriented role. It is about clearing the path for others to succeed. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to save this video for later and subscribe for more basics.